Sairam children, good morning. Today we will do grammar. Read the following sentences and underline the verbs. First sentence is, the car was parked there. So which is the verb here? Verbs are action words, doing words. So here verb is was parked. Now next sentence. The man ran quickly towards the gate. So here the verb is ran, which is the action word ran. We played cricket yesterday, which is the verb here played. So these are the verbs. First sentence was parked. In second sentence ran. In third sentence played. The car was parked there. Verbs are was parked. Where was the car parked? Yes children, where was the car parked? Answer is there. Where was the car parked? There. So there. Next one is, the man ran quickly towards the gate. How did the man run? How did the man run? Answer is quickly. How did the man run? Quickly. We played cricket yesterday. Verb is played. When did we play? Answer is yesterday. When did we play? Yesterday. So the answers there. There tells us about parked. Where was the car parked? There. So there tells us about parked. And next is quickly. So quickly tells us about ran. Yesterday tells us about played. So these words there, quickly, yesterday, they add meaning to the verbs. Which verbs? For example, here which we have taken, parked, ran, played, are called adverbs. So the words which add meaning to verbs are called adverbs. Today we will do new lesson in grammar, that is adverbs and kinds of adverbs. An adverb may add meaning to an adjective or another adverb also. Examples: she is a very intelligent girl. Pick out the adjective. So which is the adjective here children? Adjectives are describing words. We have learned about the describing words. Which is the adjective here? Intelligent. Now adjective is intelligent and here adverb is very. So very tells us more about intelligent. So very tells us more about intelligent and very is adverb. It tells us more about adjective. So adverb also adds meaning to an adjective. Sentences: she walked up to the stage quite confidently. Pick out the adverb here. Adverb is confidently. Adverb confidently. And here is another adverb also, which is that quite. So quite is another adverb also. So here quite adds meaning to another adverb, confidently. So what are adverbs? An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So remember children, adverb not only adds meaning to the verbs, but they also add meaning to an adjective, another adverb also. Here is an activity. Help box is given. Never, daily, often, almost, very, yesterday, outside, seriously. These are the words given in the help box. They are adverbs. we have to fill in the blanks with the adverbs given below. First sentence is I dash see him during my morning walk. So the adverbs are given. You have to fill in the blank with the adverbs given. I dash see him during my morning walk. So which word will come? Never. Is it suitable? No. Daily. Yes, daily is okay, but we'll see the depending on other sentence. So here we will take often. I often see him during my morning walk. That is, I often see him during my morning walk. So the answer is often. We have taken here often. Next one is Leela reads the paper dash. Leela reads the paper. Which word will come, children? Which adverb will come? That is, Leela reads the newspaper daily. Leela reads the newspaper daily. So daily is the answer here. Next one is we must dash play with sharp objects. Yes, children. Never, almost, very, yesterday, outside, seriously. Are they suitable? No. We must never play with sharp objects. So the correct answer is never. Correct answer is never. We must never play with sharp objects. Next one is he called me up dash to plan a meeting for tonight. Fourth one is he called me up dash to plan a meeting for tonight. So which one will come, children, here? Which word will come? That is yesterday. He called me up yesterday to plan a meeting for tonight. So which is the answer here? Yesterday. Next sentence is the children were dash happy after the picnic. The children were dash happy after the picnic. Which word will come, children? Which adverb? During the picnic time and all we are happy. We are very happy. So the correct answer is very. The correct answer is very. The children were very happy after the picnic. Next one is wait for me. I have dash completed my work. So which word will come? Wait for me. Never. No. Daily. No. Then often. It's already daily. Often we have taken. Almost. Yes. So the correct word here it is adverb almost. Wait for me. I have almost completed my work. Next is go and play dash, said my mother who was reading a book. Go and play. Which word will come, children? Go and play. That is go and play outside. Go and play outside, said my mother who was reading a book. Next one is his brother was dash injured in the accident. His brother was. Which word will come, children? Which word is left now? Seriously is left. Never is over. Never is over. Daily, often, almost, very, yesterday, outside, these words are over. So which word is remaining now? Seriously. His brother was seriously injured in the accident. Read the following sentences. First one is the child cried loudly. How did the child cry? Answer is loudly. How did the child cry? Answer is loudly. Second sentence is the lady sang sweetly. How did the lady sing? sweetly. The words loudly and sweetly are called adverbs of manner, as they tell us how something, that is action, is done. So we are learning now adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is how we are able to find out adverb of manner. You have to ask the question how the action was done. So here in these examples, the words loudly and sweetly are called adverbs of manner, as they tell us how something, the action, is done. Like here in the given example, how did the child cry? Loudly. So this is adverb of manner. The lady sang sweetly. How did the lady sing? Sweetly. So they are adverbs of manner. Now you have to remember, children, in most cases, adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly or illy to the corresponding adjectives. So we can form adverbs of manner by adding ly or illy to the corresponding adjectives. For example, if the adjective is slow, so you add ly, it will become adverb. Adjective is careful. You add ly to it, it will become adverb. Noisy. And here what you are going to add? You are going to add here illy. You are going to add here illy, because it is ending noisy. The noisy word is ending with y. So where the word is ending with y we change to I and add ly. So illy, noisy, noisily. So here is an activity. Fill in the blanks with the adverb which corresponds to the adjectives given in the brackets. Adjectives are given in the brackets. We have to fill in the blank with the adverb. First one is, the road was dash visible in the fog. And the adjective given is scarce. So we have learned now. We have to add ly or illy to the adjectives, and they will become adverbs. So the road was dash visible in the fog, and the adjective given is scarce. So we will add ly to it, and it will become scarcely. So just you add ly. The road was scarcely visible in the fog. He did the work as dash as possible, and the given adjective is careful. So which word will come? He did the work as carefully as possible. We have to add ly. So what we are going to write here? We are going to write here carefully. So you are going to add ly to it. He did the work as carefully as possible. Next sentence is, the school team won the game dash easy. So what we are going to add now here? ILY. The school team won the game easily. The word is easy ending with Y. So when it is the word ending with Y, we add ILY. So answer is easily. That is, the school team won the game easily. Next is, mother asks driver to drive dash. So the given adjective is slow. Mother asks driver to drive slowly. You are going to add ly to the given adjective. Next is, he answered the teacher dash rude. So which word will come now? In the bracket it is given rude. He answered the teacher rudely. He answered the teacher rudely. So we have to add ly to it. You will add ly to the given word. He answered the teacher rudely. Next one is, they were dash unhappy with Ramu's result. And the adjective given is real. So you will add, what you will add? ly. They were really unhappy with Ramu's result. Answer is, they were really unhappy. So you are going to add ly. Really. They were really unhappy with Ramu's result. Next is, he dash agreed to join our club. Cheerful. He dash agreed to join our club. Cheerful. And we are going to add ly. So it will become cheerfully. So you will write first cheerful, then add ly. He cheerfully agreed to join our club. Next is, the speaker banged the table dash angry. The speaker banged the table dash angry. So what you will do? You will add ly, and the word angry is ending with y. So we have to add now ily. So you will write angrily. It is angrily. The speaker banged the table angrily. Y is changed to illy. So we did the activity. The adjectives were given in the bracket and we added ly or illy and we made them adverbs. That is, adverbs are formed. So children, today we have studied about adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that add meaning to a verb or an adjective or another adverb. So we will continue in the next session. Take care of yourselves, children. Sai Ram.